So it was an intense day. Thank you really very much to all the panelists, to the attendees, because there was an intense interaction with the panelists, to the moderators, and of course to all those who have supported the organization, because it was a hard work. And I think that, Jan, you have followed very attentively all the session. I leave the floor to you because I know that you have some consideration to share with us. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Donatella. Thank you very much to all panelists. Thank you very much to all who listened. So I must say this is a very special moment for me because it is very close to my leaving of the agency. It will be just another 2 days. And I must say I'm very happy that Donatella and myself that we succeeded in creating this downstream gateway. It looks always so simple afterwards when it's existing, then everybody says, okay, it could be better, it could be better, it could be better. But we started from scratch. There was nothing. So I just asked Donatella at a certain point in time, Donatella, I believe we have to do something for the downstream. And she said, yes, we have to. And that was the beginning of the downstream gateway. We got some nasty comments at the beginning, was not that easy. But I believe at least today's webinar, but also the other ones show that there is really a necessity to have this organization, to have the downstream gateway. Still, my dream is that the downstream gateway will have a bigger perimeter, not only ESA, but also on the EU level. But this is something we have to see. You have to see, Donatella, because I'm leaving. But you can always say that it's in the Space Council resolution and Space Council conclusions that the downstream gateway should have a bigger perimeter. So when I heard most of the contributions, not all, I have to apologize because I had to go in between to another meeting. But the advantage of these virtual meetings is that you can come back easily, and therefore I'm happy that I'm here. So now what I heard, and it should not be, I don't want to say, yes, I was right, but I believe what is really for me important, this message of this one slide I show frequently, which has the aspect of discovery, monitoring, raising awareness, and mitigation. You again today showed that this is a right logic. So you showed also examples where through space one can discover even cultural heritage. And then through monitoring, looking to what is happening, either because of environmental conditions or because of human interaction with the heritage as such. To raise awareness, it's excellent, especially for cultural heritage, to really raise awareness for people to take care of cultural heritage. And then the last one, which I call mitigation, but today I learned one should maybe be better safe, or say also safeguarding and preservation. This is something where space can help a lot. The only thing where I had, I wasn't sure whether I should intervene, but the question of heritage on other bodies like the moon and maybe Mars. This is an important point, and I think that we should together look into what is really their heritage for the future, and we should not limit ourselves to the tiny globe which we call Earth. So the moon, by the way, is part of the Earth. So you could always say the moon is part of the Earth because it was for sure developed through an impact of another body with the Earth. So the moon for me is simple. You can still call it part of the Earth. Mars is more difficult, but there is also something which is already really spectacular and which will remain there for many, many, many years because it is there are not so many humans right now. So again, thank you very much to all of you. For me, it's also some tears in my eyes because for me, it's a very last downstream gateway. Maybe I have the opportunity that Donatella invites me as a panelist for the one or the other webinar she is organizing in the future. And Donatella, you did an excellent job, and thank you to all of you, and stay healthy in these difficult times. Goodbye.
Thank you very much, Jan. Thank you to all of you.